It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
If you haven't gone solar yet, what are you waiting for? Solar expert Brian Milholland from Solar by Milholland is here to tell us about the realities of solar in 2018. And thanks for being here.
Great. Nice to be here.
It's a bit sobering what's going on here. So right now, people who haven't gone solar generally fall into two camps. What are they?
Well, the first one is people whose bill haven't really affected their pocketbook so much. But that's going to change. June 1st, rates have gone up again. So people who traditionally would have a bill that's under $100, 3 or 4 years ago, now they're going to start seeing bills $200, $300 or more. That's the first camp. The second one are people who are just confused by all of the messages out there. There's so many marketing firms. What kind of contractor do we choose? What panels do we choose?
It's confusing when you think about those two camps. So the first one is the people who haven't really felt the sting, but they are generally going to feel the sting starting June 1st, like you said.
Right.
Yeah.
The bills have crept up on them. If they start to look back and they see they used to have a $50, $75 bill and now it's $200 or $300, we're getting phone calls from those people now.
And it can be paralyzing when you're thinking about everything out there and there are all these different terms that you need to know and what's going on. And so what about those people?
Right, it is very confusing. So the consultants at SunPower by Milholland Electric, we like to educate people, so we come out and we help you decide what is best for you. What type of panel do you need? How many? What type of financing is best for you? Can you take the tax credit or not? So we really help to educate people.
And it's true, you help to educate them, so it's not just about, okay, you need to go solar with us, it's really about helping them with their own situation.
Certainly is. We also take a look at, equipment. Do they have old AC, old pool equipment that are costing them a lot of money? Maybe we need to change some of those out to help with their energy bills also.
Okay, now what's the first step then? What can they do if they want to make a change?
Right, they can give us a call at SunPower by Milholland Electric, and one of our consultants will come out for free and help evaluate their situation and help them decide what's best for them.
Okay, and you also have an offer, 10% off up to $500 when you
Yes.
mention Approved Home Pros. Thank
Yes, I
you.
do.
Take control of your energy costs with help from a solar company which cares. Call Milholland for your free consultation at 619-320-7373 today.